good garlic harvest. Well, folks, it's mid-July and it's time to get the sweet potato slips in the ground. Hey everybody, Kelly here with J&KPotter. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to go ahead and pull the red and purple potatoes that I had planted earlier this year, and I want to get my sweet potato slips into the dirt. We eat a lot more sweet potatoes than we do regular potatoes, but I'm really excited to see how the purple potatoes did. So join me with that, and as you already saw, I pulled up all my garlic. So I'm getting this bed ready for sweet potatoes. Stabbed one. That purple. Now look at that potato plant. That's a lot of plant. All right, let's get this big old weed out of the way. Okay, well that's not bad for my first try at purple potatoes. While I'm right here, check out the apples. They're starting to blush. Well, I have a lot to do before the end of July. At least that's my goal. This year's just been a different year after dealing with Mr. Ed in January. My stamina is not the same, my energy level, things like that. But at the beginning of the spring and summer, I was able to come out every day. Now it's not like that. I come out every third day and sometimes just once a week. Doggone it, I'm dealing with some issues with my knees now since I started exercising. And of course you guys know, if you followed me very long, the issues that I started having with my thumb and hand area. So I say that to say this. With any ailment or anything, any issues that you're going through, don't give up on the physical things. Keep trying to do something every day or once a week and work up a good sweat. Get your heart rate up just a little bit, because all that's going to help me, I know, in the long run. So you guys, thanks for joining me. I did not get the sweet potatoes planted, but the bed is pretty much ready. So you guys, go out and enjoy life. Well, good morning everybody. Today we're going to do recliner exercise as promises. Now I plan on doing these on Tuesday morning at around 8:30, and then each week we'll do a new routine. But the routine that I show you today, if you do it every single day and you add 1 or 2 reps to the exercise regimen, then you'll just increase every day, and before you know it, you're going to be exercising an hour and feeling great about it. It would be good to have a couple bottles of water or some hand weights, maybe a little ball or a balloon, to have those ready when we do our exercises. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to clap our hands and we're going to get ready and excited to do these exercises. And it goes on with a little tune. This is the day that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord hath made. So clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands, so clap your hands. This is the day that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord hath made. Alrighty. First thing we're going to do is something called finger taps. Very simple, very easy. As you can see, I am sitting on the edge of my chair, but we do not have to sit that way to do finger taps. So let's just back up, get comfortable, and all we're going to be doing is we're going to be touching each finger to our thumb. Okay? If you can do it with both hands, that's great. If not, we'll do it with one hand and then we'll do it with the other. You ready? Index first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. 9, 2, 3, 4. 10, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. 9, 2, 3, 4. 10, 2, 3, 4. And just for fun measure, let's see if we can do it with both hands together. This is also a coordination exercise. And start with your index. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay, so this is kind of a fun one. I do like to sit up in my chair for this one. So just scoot yourself up a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our nose with our left hand and grab our ears with our right hand. Okay? And then we're going to release, clap, stretch, clap. Nose, ear, clap, stretch, clap. Okay? That's what we're going to be doing. Now, I do like to try to sit up straight. If you have a mirror in front of you, it's awesome so that you can kind of check your posture. But just kind of think about it. Try to make sure that your shoulders are back. Now, if you're used to sitting and slumping kind of like, you know, a lot of us do, your shoulders are going to feel that tension. And that's okay. Now, I do want to put a disclaimer out there right now because I forgot to do that a while ago. I am not a medical professional, nor am I an exercise trainer. I am just a person that sits here and does exercises, and hopefully it encourages everyone to do what they can do. Okay? Just move. All right, here we go. We're going to try 10 of these. Nose, ear, clap, stretch, clap. Nose, ear, clap, stretch, clap. 3. Whoop, forgot to clap. 4, clap, stretch, clap. 5, clap, stretch, clap. 6, clap, stretch, clap. 7, clap, stretch, clap. 8, clap, stretch, clap. 9, clap, stretch, clap. Can you feel it? 10, clap, stretch, clap. I felt it right here and in my shoulders as well. Not to the point of hurting though. Okay, this is another coordination exercise. So feel free to sit back in your chair if you like. We are going to be doing drawing triangles with our hands. So using your index finger, you're only going to make 3 motions. Down, side, and up. Or you start wherever you want to. If you would rather go like that, however you want to make a triangle in the air, you do it. We're going to do these 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 10, 2, 3. Switch hands. Can you see what it's doing, you guys? It's bringing your arms up above your heart. And I don't know about you, but it's kind of making you a little bit windier, right? Making your heart maybe work a little bit more, right? These things are all good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Oh, you hear that bird out there? 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 10, 2, 3. Let's do it with both hands. Only going to do 5. Ready? Triangle. Get it in your head. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Okay. Plus, I'm getting you to do sit-ups, and you don't even know it. Neck stretches. Now, I do like to sit up straight for this one. And I just kind of cross my feet at my ankles, make sure that I'm sitting up nice and tall. We're going to turn our head. We're going to hold it to the count of 5. We're going to bring it back straight and turn it the other way to the count of 5. And bring it back to the middle. We're going to do 10 of these. Are you ready? Start with either side you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. The other way. Slowly. Don't jerk your head around. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check your posture once in a while. Make sure you're sitting up straight. Back to the middle. Be breathing as you're doing these. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. Check your posture. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. Last one. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. center. Okay, you can kind of relax yourself a little bit. And we're going to be doing a little bit of breathing exercises. I'd like for you to take as deep a breath as you can, hold it for 1 or 2 seconds, and then release. I'm going to do that 5 times. Believe it or not, deep breathing will help you to lose weight. It releases toxins. I kid you not. If you'd like to stand up and do this, this would be better for you, but we can do it sitting down just as well. So you ready? Deep breath in through your nose. I didn't tell you that. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Ready? Now on this second one, when you release, I want you to give it an extra 2 pushes to release. Okay? Let's go again. Now on 4 and 5, I want us to try to breathe in and then just 1 more hit in and see if we can get our lungs completely full. Ready? That one's a little bit harder. Ready? Now when you do these through the week, if you can get up to holding your breath for 5 seconds, that's good. So don't go past 5, but start at 2, 1 or 2, and work your way up to 5 if you can. Alrighty, let's move on to the next movement exercise here. Arm curls with weights. So I'm going to go ahead and use a couple of 20-ounce bottles of water. Okay. And I'm going to say sitting up in the chair, but you can sit back and use your armrest as some help. Matter of fact, I'll show you how to do that. I'll do 5 of them like that. Okay, set up. The elbows just resting on your chair. You're going to rock a little bit, I think, probably with this. So, you can start out whichever way is comfortable for you. You can sit and hold your bottle like this with your thumbs up, or you can actually turn your wrists up. And I can't do that because I'm having some wrist and thumb problems, so I've chose to just hold my thumb up. Okay, let's do 5 like this. Just bring it up. Leave your elbows on the chair. Let's do 5 of them like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to sit up and do the other 5. I'm going to make sure my shoulders are straight. I'm going to set these right here on my knees. Ready? Or you can do it at the same time. When I set up, I do them 1 at a time. 3, 4, 1 more, 5. Okay, so let's put those down. Ab crunches. Believe it or not, you can do ab crunches in your recliner. So I like to sit up on my chair, and it's all the way down to the floor. The rocking part of it is, and that's where I like it. I'm gonna put my legs out kind of straight, but bend my knee. I'm not sure how far down you can see. Bend my knees a little bit because I have trouble with my knees. I'm gonna hold my arms out And then I'm just gonna slowly, as slow as I can, go back to the backrest and then come back up. On a slower scale. Now, if you have to grab them handles to get yourself back up, you go ahead. So let's go ahead and start out with about 6 of those. Ready? Arms straight out. Go down. Back up. If you breathe in while you go back and push your breath out as you come up, that will help too, believe it or not. Ready? Let's do 5. Or 6. I said 6, didn't I? Ready? Breathe in. Now my foot come up off the ground a little bit, and that's okay. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. Let's try to do one more. All right. Now, I don't know about you, but I haven't worked my arms for a while, and I can feel it with just what we've done today. Okay, this is where a ball would come in handy, but if you don't have a ball, that's okay. Go ahead and sit back in your chair. Just pretend you have a ball. Put your hands together. And what we're going to do is we're going to go up over the head. Rest your arms on the back of your recliner. Just slightly, and then come back down. And if you can touch your lap, that's awesome. If you cannot touch your lap by keeping your hands together, then that's a goal that we'll both work on. Because when this goes down, your arms are going to touch your lap. Okay, let's go ahead and do 10 of those. Are you ready? Up. Down. That's 1. Up. Down. 2. Up. Down. 3. Up. Down. 4. Up. Down. 5. Up. Down. 6. Up. Down. 7. It's getting a little harder, isn't it? Up. Down. 8. Up. Down. 9. One more. Up. Down. 10. Now, believe it or not, if you had a ball, it would be just a little bit easier because your hands would be out here, or I have a big ball, big exercise ball that I'm going to be working with, and your arms would be straighter, which would allow this motion. But this is a good one to start with. Okay. I think we'll do one more exercise, and then I think that we'll be done for this week. Set up at the top of your chair, and then you're going to put it between your knees and squeeze. You have somebody in your house that could maybe get you a pillow or a towel, something like that. That would be awesome. But try to make sure that you have a ball or two of different sizes would be good, and weights or bottles of water, can of vegetables, something like that, because we will be using things like that. Okay, so all we're going to do with this is we're going to squeeze it 10 times between our knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leave me a comment if you'd like. That way I can maybe at least get your comments and respond back to you. See how you did today. See if it was even a workout for you. Sometimes we don't feel like our first workouts are doing anything, but believe me, they are. We did 20-25 minutes of exercises, and so I'm glad you joined me, but work on these exercises. So you guys, I hope you have a good day, and remember, this is the day that the Lord hath made. Sing it with me. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord hath made. See you later.